I was going that I saw something in the desert.
Hey!
When I reached it, it was a car whose condition was very bad. So I thought that this car should be restored. It was not working, then the car started.
Oh no!
And smoke was coming out of its silencer. This car was moving very slowly.
Okay.
Then I took the car to the workshop and had the car repaired. Then it had to be painted. I thought black color would look good on it, then I painted it black and then I applied bodykits and strobe lights on it. Then I started looking for a good rim. This rim looked good, so I installed it. After that, I load the car for a good look. I went to wash the car, took it, and then I washed the car. See you in the next video. Bye.